Hello everyone, my name is Zach. I am the Traveling Man, and this is a full room tour, stateroom tour of room 9330Z here on board the Valiant Lady. And you unlock the door using your wristband. There's also a doorbell, so let's come right inside. You notice when you first enter, you do have some light controls here, sort of the lights down the hallway. You also do have a privacy. You can set the do not disturb right here, or also please service room. And you notice that the light there corresponds to the light out here. So that's do not disturb, and then the blue would indicate that we need the room cleaned. But right now we're gonna cut both of those off. So just inside of the room, when you get here to the left, you have the bathroom. Now, this is an XL sea terrace, so that means it's an extra large. It's bigger than the typical sea terrace room. So other than the bathroom, which is the biggest part, that's what denotes the XL part. The rest of the room is pretty much the standard size, the same size as all the other sea terraces. But the XL, you have a much larger bathroom. And from what I've heard, a lot of folks complaining about Virgin Voyages, they say that the bathrooms in the standard cabins are much smaller than you would typically find on a cruise ship. They're very cramped and small, but not here. First, I want to show you that the air controls are here. There's also a light here for the bathroom. Stepping into the bathroom, you have a huge mirror here. Plenty of storage space. You sort of have two different sides of the sink here. You have one over here with a shelf you can put some things, and another one over there. Of course, you're provided with towels each day. They are replaced, and you can hang up your towels here. And if you hang up your towels here, they won't be replaced. You have two sort of doors here. One is to the shower, and this is a very large shower. It's a very nice shower. I've enjoyed having this shower all week. It does have a sort of a rainfall shower head up there, so it is a rainfall shower, which is nice. But there are two controls, the rainfall and then the handheld, and you can only have one on at any given time, so you can either have it in rainfall mode or handheld mode. And you are provided with some body wash, hair conditioner, and shampoo inside the room. And then the second closet here is the toilet, and you have plenty of space here, even with the door closed, for the toilet. You do have a full-length mirror over here so that you can see yourself once you get ready. Now entering the room, turning the corner, and I just want to note, look how much room you have. I have been pleasantly, I guess surprised isn't the right word, but I've been delighted with how much space you have in this. This feels like an apartment, you know? It's sort of like a studio apartment. You walk in, you have the bathroom, so much space in this XLC Terrace room. Here's the room. It is a queen-size bed. And the cool thing about the bed is the bed does convert into a sofa. So the mattress itself is actually made up of two pieces, and these are actually two different pieces of the sofa. One that would stay like this. It would sort of be like a sectional sofa. And then the other cushion would be turned this way so that you could have the sofa going here. Unless you ask for it, it's going to stay a bed the entire time, but you can ask your room attendant and they will change the bedding for you so that you can have a sofa in here. Maybe you're going to have some friends over, maybe you're going to host a party. You can do that. So I think that's really cool. Mine has been a bed the whole time. And I will say, again, a queen size bed, but it is low to the floor, which has been really nice, actually. It's very comfy. And you would think because it's like couch cushions or whatever, it makes a sofa, it might not be that comfortable, but it is very comfortable. And I really enjoy that. I also really enjoy having this right here. This is sort of like the arm of the sofa, but they have this like wood block here where you can set things like, maybe you have like a glass of water or something you want to set here at bedtime, you can do that. There's also some plugins down here. You can see I currently have my MagSafe charger plugged in there for my watch and my iPhone. But you do have several, a couple of USB ports there. You also have an outlet, and you have some lights there too, just right beside the bed. So it's really nice. And each of these lights are like reading lights. They do turn on individual. And then right here we have the closet, and it's a very spacious closet. You have a lot of space. Now, notice you don't have closet doors. Instead, you just sort of have this curtain hanging here for your closet door. You do have a safe, as is typical in most cruise ship staterooms. You also have a hairdryer provided in here. So that's, I know a lot of people like to know that. And then down below here, you do have several drawers where you can put your clothes. And then there's a bigger space down below where you can put some things as well. You are provided with this nice blanket. It's a very nice blanket. I love this blanket that's left inside the room, so you can use that. And then here's some space inside here for you to hang your clothes, and there's some space up top as well. But I'm going to close this back so you can sort of get the full effect. Right across from the bed, there is a TV. I don't know the size of the TV. It's probably like a 42-inch probably, but it's very nice. Very conveniently located. You can lay in bed and watch TV. There's also a table right here. And the cool thing about this table is it moves. So you can actually move it anywhere in the room you want to. But I like to have it here by the bed. In fact, I slept with it just about here every night. And on it, I've put my water bottle. It's been really nice to just have that, you know, handy so I can grab it in the middle of the night if I need water. Also for breakfast in bed, maybe. I think that's really cool. I've never seen that on a cruise line before, have an actual table that you can pull upside the bed. So that's really neat that they have that. And speaking of things you can put on this table, here is the tablet in the room. This actually came from just here. It's left here on its charger. But this is actually how you're going to control the lights in the room. It's how you're going to control the entertainment in the room. So let me just go right here to room controls. And you can see here are my light controls right here. I can turn the lights off. You see there. There's also several different moods. You know, hangover, get it on, photo shoot, several different moods. Here's a Zen mood. Let's see what that's like. You see it sort of turns things down. And also, notice that the curtains are closing. The curtains are electronic, so they're going to be controlled by this device. And anytime I want to open them, I can just come here and click open, and they will respond, I promise. They're a little slow sometimes, but, and then let me set this down so I can show you. You can also go to entertainment, and there's tons of movies. One of the things that I really have enjoyed about this cruise is all the entertainment options available. I mean, movies upon movies upon movies. I mean, I'm just scrolling through, look at all the movies available. Series. And the cool thing is, once you land on something that you want to watch, sort of like Netflix, you never quite know what to watch. But let's say I want to watch Veep. I can hit continue watching because I've already been watching it. And it's going to immediately send that over to the TV. You can see it's actually loading up right now. And there it is. It pops right up on the TV. And there's even actually an option, let me pause that, activate cinema mode. And you notice it changes the lighting in the room. It's going to close the curtains in the room and get you ready to watch your movie. That is really, really cool. That, I don't know, just the technology of it really makes me happy. I really, really like that. So let's open that back up and turn the lights back on. You can also control the lights here and the TV. So I thought that was really cool. I like to leave this here at night. My table just like that by the bed so that I can grab the room controls or the TV remote or my water and have it right here. And then right here, you also have a chair. This is a very, very comfy chair. I've enjoyed having this here. And then over here, you do have a table. And you can see I have some stuff sitting here. There are also some outlets here that you can use as well throughout your cruise. And then here is the minibar over here. And the cool thing about Virgin Voyages is they do bring you these carafes of water each day. So you see there's 2 carafes of water. These are refilled every single day. And I have so enjoyed that. Having fresh water in the room that you can put in your water bottle. You saw my water bottle a second ago. I've been able to put fresh water in that from these crafts every day. There's also the phone here for the room. Here's a lamp. We'll cut that off. We don't need it right now. There are glasses provided here, but I've not actually used them. Down below is a mini bar, and there is nothing in it. It's not stocked, which is actually nice. So you can store your own things here. Now, one of the best parts about the room, since this is a sea terrace room, Virgin doesn't use the terminology balcony. They use sea terrace. So we're going to go out to the sea terrace. And notice once you flip this handle up, your air conditioner is going to cut off. So when you're in the room, you want to make sure you have this locked down. If you don't have it locked down, the air conditioner is going to cut off. So just a pro tip for you. So we're going to open this here and go out onto the balcony. You see there's 2 chairs and a table here, and they're very nice quality. They're like metal chairs and metal table, and they've been great the whole cruise. One of the best features about the balcony, though, hands down, is this hammock. And folks, no one else is doing this. No one else is providing hammocks on their balconies on their cruise ships. So this is like an industry first. And in my opinion, this makes the entire experience right here is having this hammock. You don't know how many hours I've spent on this cruise sitting in this hammock because look at the incredible view that you have sitting in the hammock. I'll sit down now and show you how much it actually extends. It looks kind of small, but just know you can sit in it and then extend it. There you go. You have a full-size hammock right here on your balcony. So that is room 9330Z, an XL Sea Terrace here on board the Valiant Lady, the beautiful ship from Virgin Voyages. Folks, my name is Zach. I am the Traveling Man. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you go down below, give me a thumbs up. Also, consider subscribing to the channel because I have a lot more cruise content just like this to come very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.